Alright, so if you come over here, earn money answering questions, homework questions, earn up to 7,500 US dollars monthly, working from home, tutoring students. Apply now. Now the good thing about this site is that it's accepting tutors from all over the world. So from wherever you are, you're eligible to apply on this site and win work. So stick with me in this video and I will show you a step-by-step process on how to apply and get approved to work on this site and make this amount of money for yourself. So stick with me guys and let's get right into the hustle of the day. Hey guys and welcome back to my channel, CJ's Hustle. And in this video I'll be showing you guys an amazing website where you can make as much as $7,500 monthly just tutoring students. That's offering to do their assignments, homework and all that. Now if you just bumped into this channel, as I said earlier, it's CJ's Hustle, and in this channel I share different tips and tricks and ways to make money online. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any content I release, because I have a whole load of them to release. Now with that said, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so if you come over here, it says you can see the site studypool.com. It says earn money answering homework questions, and you can apply from all over the world, as I said earlier. Now what's this site basically designed for? You can see different subject areas. We have business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, and lots more. So you basically help students to do the assignments and some tough um assignments basically, and homework questions, tough homework questions that they can't do. You basically help them to do it, and you get paid for it. So if I scroll down here, you see recent questions that were posted on the site. But don't worry guys, I'm already a tutor on this site, so I'll show you how to bid for questions and how you get selected to answer each question. So if you scroll down here, you see popular tutor countries. We have Canada, India, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, United States, Zambia, and a list of other countries. But these are just the popular countries, but you can apply from anywhere in the world. So basically, Studypool is a site where tutors connect to students who need help with their homework. Now if you come over here to Trustpilot, you can see that Studypool has about 340 reviews. Firstly, it's a verified company and 4.0 star rating, which is quite good. Now if you come down here again, for excellent you can see 69%, great 8%, and just some probably customers who had some bad experience with it. But generally it goes to say that this site is way legit. Now if you come down here to read their reviews, you can see this one saying Studypool experience from a tutor's perspective. I've been working here for Studypool for the past 5 years and my experience has been great as a tutor. Studypool gave me the chance to be a full-time freelancer, and this has given me the chance to help students from all over the world. Now this is just one tutor. If you move down here, you see other great tutors. Now this one says I don't know how they call my card details. They charge me for something I have no idea. Okay, now this is probably coming from a student who had bad experience with them, but this is not from the tutor's point of view, but I guess it's something that can be resolved. Now generally you can see 5-star reviews continuously, which goes to say this site is way legit. So stick with me in this video and I'll show you how to apply and how to get selected if hopefully you get approved to tutor on this site. Alright, to apply, first things first, you come over here where it says apply now, you tap on it. It will prompt you this page where you have to fill in your email, you choose a username and a password, and then you tap on creating an account. Well, I'll do that and fill in my details and we'll continue. Now I've done that, and it requires you to verify your email, so I'll go ahead and do that and show you the next steps to take. So after verifying my email address, I was prompted to this page, and you have to read your terms of service, but I think I've read that, so I'll tick the box and I tap on I agree, and then you can now start your tutor application. Now guys, this is where most, or if I would say most of the time, 95% of those who apply to this site, they get it all wrong at this tutor application spot. Now that's because you're going to be asked to do a lot of things like a whole series of essays for you to write, just so they confirm that you are really a tutor, or you're really credible to work on their site. Now most people don't pass this test. Now you need to take your time. They say the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. Of course, but don't take their word for it, guys. You need to take your time. Like for me, it took me about 2 days to complete all three essays which I submitted to this site before I was approved. So you need to take your time to um, may form a very good essay which is plagiarism free, because they also check for that. So even if you copy anything from the net, do well to scan it through a plagiarism checker like Grammarly, just so you don't get detected by their AI. Now if you need a video on how to get a pro plagiarism checker from Grammarly, you can check my video or down in the description where I show you the video on how you can make your content plagiarism free. So let's get started with the application. Now just tap on start application, and it asks you to get ready to get started, and you just tap on it to get started. Now it will ask you to fill all these details: your nationality, first name, and where you live, academic background, your field of study. Now you save and continue. Now you can see here it's the first of three steps. Now the second and third step require you to write some essays, which I don't want to fill in my details right now, so I just want to show you guys how it looks like. Alright, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just fill in some fake details, because of course I can't fill in my real details because I'm not actually applying to the site right now. So I'll just come to this site that says fake name generator, and I take this name Paul Hunter. Okay, I put first name Paul, last name Hunter, nationality United States. Where do you live? Let me check. St. Louis. St. Louis. And city. Well, can't really see what the city is. But um, MO. I really don't know what MO means. Probably a state or a city in US, but let me just take any city and say maybe Michigan. Oh, sorry, not Michigan. I'm sure Michigan is a state. And city, I'd say, let me just check cities in Michigan. Detroit, okay. Let's just say Detroit. Hi, yeah, brothers. How you heard about us? I'll see YouTube. Academic background. Find your school. Okay. Okay. So let's just say let's just put in any school. Central Michigan University. And major. I'd say microbiology. Then I'll save and continue. Now it requires you to write a little biography about yourself. Tell us a little about the subject you're knowledgeable about, though prior experience is not required, which is why I like this site. But if you've previously been a tutor or if you're a teacher at a school, tell us about this as well. So, basically be honest here, see give a little info about yourself here. Just anything. For me, let me just say, right, so basically just be creative about whatever you do. Be creative here and express yourself more. I'm just doing this just to show you all that it is to do. And then here you say set your preferred rate. Yeah, you can leave this at $10 per hour and save and continue. Now it asks you to what you would like to write about. Well, you can choose anything here basically. Choose something you can write extensively about. Well, if you choose health and medical here, to give you an essay, like it says, what are some of the most critical health concerns we face in the 21st century and why? Note, minimum word requirement is 200 words. So you'll have to go through these requirements, at least one example of the use of all of the following commas, colons, and all that. So take your time, read the topic very well, browse through the net to get quality information before you begin. And as I said earlier, you have to screen your work to be sure it's not plagiarized before you submit. So for the first essay, I just uploaded something. It's not really the essay, but when you've done that, you tap on I understand. My application will be rejected if I submit a plagiarized answer, and just save and continue. Now that's the first essay which you just finished. Now it over here it also requires you to write two different essays again on any subject you feel you're knowledgeable in, just to test how knowledgeable you can be. So I selected health and medical the other time, so let me just say science, and you'll be asked to write an essay on one of the following: synthetic forest, animal mimicry, effects of global warming in the past 10 years, mechanisms of mechanisms that led to evolution, types of enzymes and all that. So basically pick whatever you're good at. If it's programming, you have some stuff like Java and Python programming. Find and correct 6 errors in the code. Theory of algorithm analysis. So guys, basically this is it. You just pick two subjects that you can do well in and apply to the best of your knowledge, and when you're done you can submit that and you save and continue. Now I can't go any further, so I'll basically show you guys now how to win work if you're successfully approved as a tutor in the site. Now take note, being a tutor on this site, before your application gets approved, it takes up to a week in some cases. So notwithstanding, provided you provide quality answer, you should be approved as a tutor. As I said earlier, always make sure that you check out your work for plagiarism before submitting. If you need help on that, just go down to the description where I'll leave a video to where on how you can get Grammarly Pro subscription for free. That way you can easily scan through your work to be sure that it's 100% free of plagiarism before you submit on each case. So with that said, let me just jump right into my dashboard on this study pro site. Alright guys, so if you get approved successfully, congratulations. Now it take up to a week before you get approved. Now when you get approved, you come, this is how your dashboard will look like, and you just basically come down here to where you see questions. These are questions being posted by students. All you have to do is tap on a question like this, and it's a comparative vertebrate anatomy, and all you have to do is just to finalize your bid. You can set the price which you want for this, but I'll leave it at this price, and delivery time 2 days as it is here. So you just finalize your bid here and place a bid on it. And there you go, you've placed your bid on this question. So you go back to the site or to this page, and you can as well bid on any more question which you see here. Now these questions are the only ones available, but sometimes you have up to 30-40 questions being posted. So alright guys, so this is it. This is basically all there is to applying to this site. Now if you got value from this video, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications too, just so you don't miss out on future content. And also, I'd love to hear your experiences applying to this site. And if you take the initiative and decide to apply, that's wonderful. I'd love to hear your experiences, so drop your comments down below and I'll be really happy to address them, whatever query it is you may have. And also, if you need to contact me for support in applying to the site, um, my social handle is down below in the description, so you can reach me from there or just send me an email. I'll be glad to attend to you on whatever query it is you may have. Now, with that said, guys, it was a pleasure sharing this video with you. I know it's quite lengthy, but I'm sure it's worth the wait. So don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos, which I'll release with time. So for now, CJ signing out.